Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. In this video, we're discussing B visas, also known as business visa extensions here in the Kingdom. Specifically, we're discussing these in the context of those who own and operate an Amity Treaty company here in the Kingdom. Now, I want to go ahead and preface this by saying we're talking specifically in this video about those who own and work in their Amity company and therefore have a work permit. There's another video on this channel we've made contemporaneously with this one where we discuss those who are simply owners. You could say they're sort of passive owners or directors of an Amity company. And there are some different considerations with respect to those kind of folks. But with respect to this video, those who own or operate their Amity company here in the Kingdom, they go ahead and obtain a work permit, and then it is very possible to go ahead and extend their business visa for a relatively prolonged period of time into the foreseeable future if they have a going concern with respect to their company and how it operates in the Kingdom. Now, the thing that's interesting with respect to this issue is Amity companies are kind of interesting because, again, they're granted national treatment pursuant to the provisions of the U.S.-Thai Treaty of Amity. Therefore, American citizens are allowed to own their companies nearly outright, or it can be 100% American-owned, and be treated in the same fashion legally as a Thai company pursuant to the national treatment provisions of the Amity Treaty itself. So basically, there's this weird limbo, especially for new Amity Treaty startups, wherein the folks that are seeking their visa and things are having to sign documents and do things in kind of a catch-22 manner. There's some cart before the horse kind of issues that come up because sometimes you have to, well, in the past especially, one had to have legal work status in order to sign off on certain kinds of documentation. As time has gone by, they've restricted certain aspects of especially directorial signature requirements. Specifically, they've lightened up on whether or not they consider that actually work or needing a work permit for all of that. But yes, Amity Treaty companies can be a bit tricky, and timing of various corporate activity can be very important because doing one thing out of turn can cause something else to have a problem because the individual in question can't sign for it because they're not yet work authorized. So, dealing with that is an issue. Once work authorization is issued in the form of a work permit here in the Kingdom, then that individual can go ahead and seek B visa extension here in the Kingdom based on the fact that they are working for a company in Thailand and that company is granted national treatment, and therefore it's as if they're working for a Thai company. So the Amity Treaty provides many benefits to Americans, not least of which is the ability to basically own their own company, but it also allows that individual to, in a sense, be somewhat more a master of their own destiny with respect to their immigration status, as they can basically be self-employed and thereby sponsor their own visa and their own visa extension to maintain their status here in the Kingdom of Thailand. We hope you found this video insightful. For those of you who are interested, we're trying to make videos to provide up-to-date information as soon as this information comes out. And for that reason, it may be a good idea to go ahead and click the bell button, the bell icon below, to go ahead and be updated as these videos come out, as you can go ahead and be apprised of the legal situation as it evolves.